from Laguna State Polytechnic University,
Santa Cruz Main Campus.
BS Criminology. Our research is all about human trafficking, the modern day slavery. Introduction. Many cases of trafficking in persons starts as an attempt to improve the condition of life. Sometimes, circumstances transform those attempts into incidents of exploitation and abuse. Deeply rooted social values and practices help create vulnerabilities that make victims of trafficking in persons, women, men, and children, easily targets of criminals intent on profiting from those individuals' hope of a better life. Recruiting and exploiting a vulnerable person is relatively easy and often carries a low risk of detection. Children are clearly more vulnerable than adults, as they are neither mature enough nor legally empowered to make their own life decisions. Research description. Research context. Research purpose and description. Objective of the study. Research context. Human trafficking is a crime that ruthlessly exploits women, children, and men for numerous purposes including forced labor and sex. It is the trade in humans, most commonly for the purpose of sexual slavery, forced labor or commercial sexual exploitation for the trafficker or others, or for the extraction of organs or tissues, including surrogacy and ovary removal, or for providing as a spouse in the context of forced marriage. Human trafficking can occur within a country or transnationally. Human trafficking is a crime against the person because of the violation of the victim's rights of movement through coercion and because of their commercial exploitation. Human trafficking is the trade in people and does not necessarily involve the movement of the person from one place to another. It represents an estimated $31.6 billion of international trade per annum in 2010. Human trafficking is thought to be one of the fastest growing activities of transnational criminal organizations. Research purpose and description. We conducted this kind of research to know lots of information about this crime, to enhance our knowledge and to be informed of our rights against it. Through this research, we can have information that we can share to our fellow students and to the persons that are prone in this kind of activities, like women, children, and also men can be one of the victims. Through our research, we expected that we can help those persons who are also researching about this, and we can give them informations that they needed to provide them enough knowledge about what is going on inside this kind of activity, or in other words, give them knowledge about this and to enhance their interest in this topic to be able to conduct further research with this. Also to inform the readers the bad effects and implication of this in those victims and part of these illegal practices. 2, 3.
Objective of the study. We conducted this research because in the first place it is our project. We are also interested in exploring and broaden our knowledge about this crime. Our goal here is to propose some details we gathered in conducting research about this, to enhance the interest of the readers in making further information and research about this is order for them to help in preventing this kind of crime. Our target is also to give the readers information, clarification, and updates on how this crime can affect an individual as well as in our society. And our goals is also to help those research to get some information heard that can help them developing and finishing their research.
Related studies and literature. Foreign. India has world's largest human trafficking problem. US wants India to prosecute human trafficking offenders. Gulf state condemned US human trafficking report. India Bangladesh working on effective border management. US asks India to increase prosecution in human cases. Local. Judge Nimpa Costes Dilches, Expert Law Library, January 2004. Human trafficking cases increases Sunstar, March 2020. 8. Human traffickers rarely punished. 161 rescue from human traffickers. Human Rights Report 2005 Country Reports on Human Rights.
Data collection. Number of human trafficking cases by region.
Ano? Sige, ito.
Education for gun. Summary, conclusion, recommendation. A. Summary of the study. Conclusion of the study. Recommendation of the study. Bibliography.
Summary of the study. Clearly, identifying victims of the human trafficking is difficult, even with a legal definition of the crime and its victims. Applying this definition and identifying victims is not without challenge. The hidden natures of the crime, the lack of the awareness and understanding of the human trafficking among the general public, coming in contact with victims, who is a victim, and limited resources to devote to the investigation and identification of these cases. All work against effort to rescue and restore victims. But the effort of law enforcement and services providers across the country have resulted in several promising strategies and practices to address these challenges and increase the number of victims identified and helped.
Conclusion of the study. The human trafficking issue is a humanities issue which usually occurs in backward countries where it involves the poor exploited by those who initially promise income if they've been accepted for workplace and in accordance with the sector and where they live and narrowness needed. The poor usually have complex financial problems and this makes them willing to place themselves in anywhere without investigating the background and basic information that what will be their job. Furthermore, they are also lack of knowledge because ignorance about their rights and the importance of understanding how to defend themselves from deceit cause they are unable to get out when hit by this problem. Recommendation of the study. We recommend to those who will conduct further research about this topic is to get further information about this case. Research on how the traffickers can victim a person. Be specific on their tactics and techniques in recruiting an individual and able to prevent those who are prone in this kind of activity. We also recommend them to gather updated information about the group of the victims according to gender and age. We also suggest that it will be better if they can get an opinion to one of the victims of this crime. Their experiences, their thoughts, and everything that may help them in gathering lots of information and collecting ideas that will make their research more interesting to read and discuss.